In this video, we'll guide you through the process of installing Node.js on Ubuntu. We will use terminal-based installation with npm verification. Ubuntu Linux, Node.js, and npm are the technologies used in this video. Before we begin, let's ensure that we have the necessary prerequisites. First, we need to have administrative access. Make sure you have sudo privileges on your Ubuntu system. You can verify this by running the command sudo huami in your terminal. Second, we need an internet connection. Verify your network connectivity to download packages. You can use the command ping -c3 google.com to check your internet connection. Now let's update our system to ensure we have the latest packages. We will update the package list and upgrade the existing packages. Run the command sudo apt update to update the package list, and then run sudo apt upgrade -y to upgrade the existing packages. Let's explore the first method to install Node.js, which is the default repository. This involves installing Node.js from Ubuntu's default repository using the command sudo apt install Node.js npm. Keep in mind that this method may install an older version of Node.js. Now let's set up the NodeSource repository for the latest Node.js version. Add the NodeSource repository to get the latest Node.js by running the command curl -fssl https:// nodesource.com/setup_lts.x pipe sudo -e bash -. This installs the latest LTS, also known as long-term support, version of Node.js. Next, install Node.js and npm from the added repository. Use the command sudo apt install Node.js. Remember that npm is included automatically with Node.js. As an alternative, we can use snap package, which is a universal package. Install Node.js using Snap Package Manager by running the command sudo snap install node --classic. This provides a simple one-command installation. Let's verify that Node.js is installed correctly. Check the Node.js version by running the command node --version. The expected output is v20.x.x or a similar version number. Next, we'll verify that the npm package manager is working. Check the npm version by running the command npm --version. The expected output is 10.x.x or a similar version number. Now, let's test the installation by running simple JavaScript. Test Node.js with a simple command node-e console.log opening and closing parenthesis single quote Node.js is working single quote closing parenthesis double quote. The expected output is Node.js is working ! Congratulations! You have successfully installed Node.js and npm, and they are ready to use. You are now ready to start building JavaScript applications with Node.js. Next, explore npm packages and create your first Node.js project. Successfully installed. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.